Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best Black Friday deals from Skytech Gaming. Step into the future with the pulse-pounding excitement of Skytech Gaming's Black Friday event. This year, the gaming giant is going all out, promising a whirlwind deals and surprises that will leave even the most seasoned gamer awestruck. From the heart of Silicon Valley, Skytech Gaming has been pushing the boundaries of technology, delivering the most cutting-edge gaming systems right to your doorstep. This Black Friday, they're raising the bar yet again, making every gamer's dream a reality. Imagine playing on a Skytech gaming rig, with its dazzling RGB keyboard and mouse, optimized for the ultimate gaming experience. With these state-of-the-art devices, you'll feel the power at your fingertips, taking you to new heights in your gaming journey. The Black Friday event is not just about the incredible deals, it's also about the thrilling anticipation that comes with it. As the clock ticks down to the big day, the gaming community is buzzing with excitement, waiting to see what Skytech Gaming has in store, and they won't be disappointed. Skytech Gaming is offering unprecedented discounts on their top-of-the-line gaming systems. It's a once-in-a-year opportunity to get your hands on the best gaming tech without breaking the bank. But that's not all. Skytech Gaming is also throwing in some tantalizing bonuses. Every purchase comes with a suite of exclusive perks designed to enhance your gaming experience. It's Skytech Gaming's way of saying thank you to their loyal customers. As the Black Friday event draws to a close, gamers around the world are left in awe of Skytech Gaming's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. They've outdone themselves once again, proving why they're a leader in the gaming industry. In summary, the Skytech Gaming Black Friday event was a triumph. It was more than just a sale. It was a celebration of gaming, a testament to Skytech Gaming's dedication to its customers and a glimpse into the future of gaming technology. Until next year, gamers can only dream of what Skytech Gaming will unveil next. Voiceover. That's it, gamers. The Black Friday event might be over, but the gaming journey continues. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deals from Skytech Gaming and stay tuned for more exciting releases. Remember, every game you play, every challenge you conquer, you're part of the Skytech Gaming family, so keep those controllers charged, those keyboards clicking, and those screens lit. We'll see you in the game.